Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs talking about the various print-on-demand websites, online art business ideas, and a little bit about the online entrepreneurship. Before moving on to the main part of the video, guys, I really want to say thank you for the beautiful comment that you left on my yesterday video of where I was talking about how to deal with bad comments and me getting all those bad comments on my YouTube videos and DMs and all that. I was really so grateful, guys. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for all those people who commented on my yesterday video. I'm really so grateful for them. I'm really so thankful for them. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me and supporting this channel. I really appreciate that, and I'm gonna continue making more such videos for you guys daily. So yeah, hang on to this journey, guys. But thank you so much once again for your comments on my yesterday's videos. I really appreciate that. And if you guys haven't checked that video, if any of you haven't checked it, check in the card section above. But thank you so much, guys, for yesterday's comments on that video. I do really appreciate that, and thank you so much, guys. Well, in today's video, guys, I'm gonna answer one of the questions. In fact, one of the comments that I was getting on my YouTube video, and I was getting many more comments related to that only, is talking about the Teepublic, that their designs are not showing up onto the Teepublic when they are actually searching on the Teepublic search engine. The designs are invisible, and what they need to fix this issue and what are the solution to this problem. Well, guys, before actually answering this question and solving and getting up to the solution, I want to tell you guys that I'm not a guru and I'm not an expert in this level. I'm myself as an artist selling on the Teepublic. If you want to check my other Teepublic videos out, you can check in the card section above. I'm just saying based on my own knowledge and experience so far with the Teepublic, and I also did a little bit of the research about this topic, like what is the proper solution to this problem and all that. So I'm talking based on that thing only. Don't take my advice or my solution as an expert advice, because I'm not an expert. I'm just saying based on my own personal experience and recommendation, and what I'm seeing for the other people that's working for them, and I did my research and all that. So now, before moving on to the main questions answer, I want to tell you guys, if you really enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate that, and subscribe to our channel so whenever I upload more such videos, you'll get notified about it. Now, could be the many reasons why aren't your designs are showing up onto the Teepublic, but one of my designs that I uploaded few months back was also not showing onto the Teepublic, and when I was uploading the design, I got an email from the Teepublic stating that my design has been reviewed for the fan art and all that. So that was the reason behind my designs was not showing on the Teepublic until they review my designs, and they're gonna email me back stating that my designs, whether selected for fan art or not, or whether it's there on the marketplace or not, or whether it's removed. So that could be the one reason. I can see very well based on my own personal experience that when you are uploading your designs onto the Teepublic, might be based on your designs, might be Teepublic has put it on review or put it on hold so that they can review it, whether they want to include it for the fan art or whether they just want to see it and review that designs, and they're gonna email you back once they finish with their reviews. They're gonna tell you whether it's removed from the marketplace or added to the marketplace or added to the fan art, or whatever may be the case behind it. So that could be the first reason that's they are considering or reviewing your work for the fan art, or in general they are reviewing your work. The second reason could be that could be the copyright or trademark, guys. I know that we often tend to upload the designs onto these print-on-demand websites without knowing actually that they are the copyright or trademark for some companies or for some other people or something like that. We don't know about it. So when we upload them on the Teepublic, we immediately see that our designs are not showing up. So that could be the reason that it might be due to the trademark or copyright issues, or your designs are, your fonts you are using in that, or the description or anything like that, whatever you are using that in your designs, that could be the title, description, or even your keywords that might lead to your designs to put on hold based on maybe it's a copyright or trademark or anything like that. Now the third reason I can say very well, that could be the factor that your store is new and you haven't have much of the designs onto the Teepublic, like you have just the 5 and 10 designs, and you are just new to the platform and you haven't put your store banner and store avatar and haven't updated with your own artist bio and details regarding it and didn't added any links and all that. So I want to tell you that if you are a new store and you are just starting with the Teepublic and you're seeing that your designs are not showing up onto the Teepublic, then upload more designs, maybe like 30 to 40 designs, and add all the features, optimize your shop, like add the shop avatar or shop banner, and also add with the artist bio, and also add the links and update your shop, and so that it will look more professional. And then once you are done with all these things, you can directly send an email in their contact section of the website. You can just contact them and send them an email stating that you have your designs are not showing up, you have 30 designs, 40 designs, whatever designs you have in your shop. You can tell them, and then you can tell them my designs are not showing up. I have added the store banner, store avatar and all. I did all these optimization, but still my designs are not showing up. Please tell me if anything needs to be done on my side. I'll gonna do it, but reply me back. So just send them an email like this. I'll just wait for a few days to get an email back from the Teepublic. If they email you back with the specific reason why aren't your designs showing up, just go for that solution and proceed with that. If they are saying that this is not apt or this is not okay or something like that, they say you to change or make changes to your shop, then go with that and make changes to your shop, and then again see that whether your designs are showing up or not. And if they don't reply you back, then they also have one email in the community section, I guess. I'm just gonna link in the description box below. They have another email. You can contact and send them a direct email onto that email and tell them the reason that your designs are not showing up, and you have sent them a business email already but you didn't get any response from them, so that's why you are sending them an email via this community email. Another thing, guys, if you are not new to the platform, you have like 40 to 50 designs on the platform. Check the designs of your platform, like what title or description you are using in your designs, what are the keywords you are using, whether you are not using the copyright or trademark keywords, or your title and description is apt with the design, it's not related to trademark or copyright. And also make the new albums onto your shop. Just make your shop look more professional. Add the shop banner, shop avatar, add the social links, add your artist bio. Also update your account with all your email address, various settings, connect it with the PayPal. Do all those things, and also connect your store with the Google Analytics to see whether your store is getting any traffic organically from the Teepublic or not. So just connect your store with the Google Analytics as well, and then see that whether you are getting traffic or not. Do all those store optimization options. Apart from them, also add a few albums to your shop, so that you have your designs in the shop, and then again email them and tell them that this is the thing, I have done all the things and my designs are apt. I have many designs, I've added the album to, and all those things I have done it. Please help me with this issue, and whether something needs to be done on my site, let me know, and all that. You just need to send them an email and wait for them to reply you back. And if they didn't reply you back, then again you have the option to contact with them the community options, community email. You can send them the community email stating the same reason that you have done all these changes and now what needs to be next done, and again your designs are not showing up and all that. So guys, these were the solutions that I came across recently based on my own personal experience and knowledge, and also based on the few research that I did a little bit on the internet regarding this particular problem. But let me know in the comment section below if you have found some other solution to this problem and it really worked for you. Let me know in the comment section below. It will help other people as well, and I'm gonna update myself with that thing also. It will really going to help me as well, that I'm updating myself with some another solution to this particular problem. And also guys, don't take my advice as a guru or as an expert. I'm not a guru or expert, or I'm not a person that is related to Teepublic or anything like that. I'm just like you, an artist who's selling their work on these print-on-demand websites. So based on that only I'm talking about in this video, and based on that only I make the various videos on this channel. So yeah guys, that's it for today's videos. I hope that it helps you, it finds a solution to your problem. But if not, let me know in the comment section below. We're gonna work on this and we're gonna maybe find a better solution to it if it doesn't work so far. That's it for today's videos, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye.